Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check all of the documents on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the storage tab. You can find the storage tab on the left of your screen, right here. And then we're going to go to this folder icon. So if you're in the recents, it's going to look like this, and this is not what we want. You need to go to the folder icon to access all of the files, and then press Documents. And this is where you'll find all of the documents that are available on your eReader. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.